Ollie doing a big old jump. Big old jump. Woo! All right. Yeah. Woohoo! Woohoo! Awesome. Awesome. Man. Oh, that was awesome.
Can I do it twice?
Take off your mask. Let me see your face.
Can I do it twice?
Come here.
Can I do it twice?
Yeah.
Can I do it another time?
Come here.
Can I do it twice?
Watch this guy's gonna go. Awesome. Oh, come here, buddy. Buddy. Take off your mask. Come on, take off your mask for a second. I want to get your face. This is December 5th. Oliver just went all the way down there and went off that big jump. Watch this guy. Here's another guy. We don't know who this guy is. And a swing! Woo! Nice job, Ollie. Right there, buddy. Daddy,
I have to do another one.
Daddy, and Ollie. Look at that.